Simplify your laundry routine with the large 8 kilogram capacity of this Grundig Tumble Dryer and a selection of dedicated programs to choose from. An included 5-year guarantee on parts and labour provides long-term protection if it's registered within 90 days, offering peace of mind and reassurance of the durability. Heat pump technology dries at a lower temperature of 60 degrees Celsius and recycles hot air, which delivers perfect results while caring for your clothes and keeping energy consumption to a minimum. Sensor programs measure the level of moisture in the drum and automatically stop the cycle when the optimal dryness is reached, so you can feel assured that your clothes are cared for. Help to protect the environment whilst looking after your energy bills with this Grundig Tumble Dryer, thanks to the impressive A++ energy rating.